Good morning! Nakapag-New Year's resolution na ba ang lahat? Ano New Year's resolution nyo? Ayan o, pawis pa. Kasama sa New Year's resolution ng person. Dapat may New Year's resolution ng lahat. Ano New Year's resolution nyo? Yun, ako maglalakad ng 7,000 to 10,000 steps every day. That is not a lot. Hindi naman madami yan. Ano lang yan, or 45 minutes to isang oras lang yan lalakadin. Dahan-dahan lang na steps. And then the sunshine there this morning is very beautiful. Kaya pawis na pawis ang person kasi nagpa-araw. Oh, mag-umpisa na. Mag-New Year's resolution na. Mag-exercise na para gaganda ang buhay. Good morning and good morning. Bye. Have a beautiful morning. Have a beautiful day.